Hello, my name is Marvin, and today I will be showing you how to create a home surveillance system for under $200 using the Raspberry Pi. Now, in today's tutorial, we will be using a Raspberry Pi 3, but to do this tutorial, you can use the Raspberry Pi 0, the Raspberry Pi 2, or the Raspberry Pi 3B+. This is the Raspberry Pi. It's a small single-board computer that is used for small-scale computing projects. This really changed the game because it made computers so affordable to everybody. I mean, this little board right here was only $35 and the box was about 10. You will need a micro USB card. I would say 8 gigabytes plus. And if your computer's adapter that it plugs into needs the regular size SD, you will also need the adapter for regular size SD card. You will need some kind of keyboard and mouse to control the interface of the Raspberry Pi. I bought this cheap all-in-one off Amazon for $15. And you will need an old computer monitor or old TV, or we will need to grab some kind of small camera to record with. I just used an old webcam I had sitting around that we used to use to video chat Skype back in the day on my desktop. Memory card, and insert it into your home computer, and we'll come back on the computer. We've inserted our micro SD card into our computer for reading. What we want to do is go to the GitHub website and find the GitHub page for Motion iOS. Now what we want to do is download the latest release. And we just look down here in these image files, and we are using the Raspberry Pi 3 today. So you just click it and download that. Now, while this image file downloads, you want to download a program called Etcher, and this will let you write the image to the SD card so that it opens correctly on the Raspberry Pi. Then you want to select the image from where you downloaded it. Make sure you select the correct drive. Mine's on my SD card reader, 31.98 gigabytes, mine is 32 gigabytes. And then click flash. Now, while you wait for this, you can set up your monitor to plug everything up. After the image is burned to the SD card for the Raspberry Pi, then this is what you will see on first startup. It will ask you to log in. The default login is the username admin and no password. And in order to see everything on your computer, you get the IP address from your router interface on your computer. Now, we won't go through this because this is different on many computers. But an example on mine is the IP address is 192.168.1.5. And then we just type that in. We type in admin on our computer. And there we have it. We have a live stream. And we can come here. We can change our settings. And that is how you make the home surveillance system.